3, 2, 1.
Are you good, Evan?
I just got kind of.
What happened there with their auto? Oh, or not. They won auto. I think we have first shift.
No, we won auto.
Oh no, we won. Oh, fire stuck, fire stuck, shoot. Yeah, you back stay there. Good.
Yep.
Ah, shoot. That's a full hopper. That's awesome.
Yo, Evan, you can't be defending your own team. I'm trying to get out of here. Yeah, well, if I'm trying to get out, don't try to go in.
Nice. I was getting protected shots. I can't do anything about that. Yeah, move. Sorry. That's okay. I think it's because Evac got that blocking.